Hey there friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Telegram on your desktop or laptop. So first, let's open our browser, in this case Google Chrome. Then let's go ahead and type telegram.org. So here we're greeted by the landing page. Scroll down a bit, click on Telegram for PC/Linux, and then you can download an installer or download the portable version. I'll be downloading the portable version so I can skip the installer. Let's give it a few seconds before it finishes, and done. So let's open the zip file and extract the folder. I'll be extracting it to my desktop. So just gonna drag and drop. There we go. And here. So now that I have Telegram on my desktop, I'm going to run the program so that it loads some files. Necessary files. There we go. And now we can start using Telegram. I'm going to sign in real quick just to make sure everything is working. Settings, devices, link a desktop device. I'll scan the code and there we go. Everything is working as it should be. So now if I close this, it should show up on my system tray. There it is, Telegram desktop. You can right click it and click on Quick Telegram. So that's how you can download and install Telegram on your Windows desktop or laptop. I hope you're able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.